there, this is Trainer Julia and welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's been a long, hot summer. A lot of us fell off the wagon a bit this summer, myself included. So this is going to be a whip yourself back into shape, early fall workout. No equipment necessary, just a mat if you have one. We're going to do 15 exercises, no repeats, work the entire body, head to toe, and we're going to have a great time doing it. So without further ado, let's do a great workout together. Let's go. Okay, we're going to get started with some squat jacks. So standing nice and straight, and we're just going to jack it down and up. Just like that. If you want to do a low impact version of this, you can walk it in, walk it out. That's your beginner version. Intermediate version. If you want to test yourself a little more, you can add those arms. So pick your level. We're going to do 45 seconds. Okay, standing oblique crunches coming up next. Standing with feet about hip distance apart, hands behind the head. Get ready. So we're going to lift and lower each knee. And we're really trying to touch that knee to the elbow. You might not get there. So we're working those side abdominal muscles with this move. Very effective. A lot of ab moves can be done standing. If you're a beginner, you don't have to lift as high. You can just lift a little lower. But if you want to challenge yourself, try to touch that knee and elbow. If you really want to challenge yourself, you can do a squat and then come up and kick that knee and elbow together. Down on the mat, we're going to do a glute bridge with a little bit of a twist. Nice and stable, get ready. Lift up the bum and let's march it out. This is your level 2. Your level 1, you can just hang out in that bridge position. If you want a level 3, you can do single leg bridges. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. Pick your level. All going to be challenging. There's the march. Just the bridge, push it up a bit higher. And single leg. 2 on each side. Stay down on the ground. We're going to get up into a side plank on the elbow, just like this. Get up into that plank, and we're going to twist it down, twist it up again. We're going to do about 6 or 7 on one side, then we got to shuffle over. We only have 45 seconds. Couple more on this side. Feel that? Shuffle over. Got to do one side, got to do the other side. Nice and equal. On that elbow, bring it up. Twist it. One side's going to be harder than the other. Probably your less dominant side. Keep it going. Said it was going to be fun, not easy. Get back up on your feet. Keep your feet nice and close together this time. We're going to ski squat. Just like a skier. Keeping those feet nice and close together, working different sets of muscles in the body. Working all the lower muscles in the body, the stability muscles, even your core. If you want to make this a little more challenging, pulse it at the bottom. Nice little pulse, and come back up again. If you want a lighter option, you don't have to go down quite as far. A little better, go deeper. Better yet, deeper in a pulse. Pick your level. Should be feeling this in your butt, your thighs. Do that little pulse, yeah. Okay, down on the mat, on your back. We're gonna do some alternating knees here. Lift up the head and shoulders, and we're just gonna do opposite knees. Nice and easy, lifting that head and shoulders above the ground, working the abs here. Also giving the butt muscles a little bit of a workout. If you want it a little more challenging, speed it up a bit. A little less challenging, take it nice and slow. Pick your level. We came here to work out. That's what we're gonna do. You're doing great. Double it up. Stand back up. We're gonna do some reverse lunges. One leg at a time. We're just going into a rear lunge. Making sure the knees are not going over the toes. I'll show you from the side. Knees are not going over the toes. Getting into that nice rear lunge position. A little bit harder. Pulse it. Pulse it at the bottom. A little bit easier. Just the single lunges. A little shallower if you need it to be a little less intense. Otherwise, try to go deeper. Add that pulse. Yeah, I can feel that. It's awesome. Get down on the mat. We got a crunch coming up. Spread out like a star. Pull it in. Send it right back out again. Pull it in, send it out. A little easier, just do the legs. A little harder, speed it up. Pull it in. Pull it in nice and tight and quick. And then shoot the legs and arms back out. Remember, easier and harder. Keep it going. Okay, we're gonna do a hard one. Stand up at the mat. We're gonna do a little bit of a push-up here. Stand nice and tall. So we're gonna go down into a squat. We're gonna walk it out. We're gonna do a single push-up. Then we're gonna walk it back down into that squat and stand it up. Do it again. Down into a squat. Walk it out. One push-up, come on. Push it back out. Stand up. On your knees is the easy option. Easier, not easy. Still can push yourself back into that squat and stand though. A little harder. Doing that full push-up. You can do it. Push it back up. Stand. Maybe one more to go here. Stand up. Nice wide legs. We're going to sumo squat. Opposite of the ski squat. Sumo squat. Also sometimes called plie squat. Legs wide apart. Once again, a little easier if you don't go that far down. A little harder. Go deeper. Harder still. Add a pulse. Balancing. Working all the muscles of the lower body. working the stabilizers, working the core. We're sweating it up good now. Keep it going. Think about how good you're going to feel after this. It's going to feel great. Working every muscle in the body today. Remember, a little easier. Back down on the mat. Those abs are not done yet. We're going to do some reverse crunches. Lifting right up off the mat and down. That's a reverse crunch. There's another one. A little bit easier. Just barely lift it. A little bit harder. You want to get some more air. Going through the full range of motion with the abs here. This is a highly effective exercise for building up those abdominal muscles. Again, a little easier. Hardly have to lift it off the ground. Harder. Get some air. Feel how tight those abs feel when you go through that full range of motion. Very challenging. A couple more. Okay, we're going to do a plank and a walk. Get ready for it. Up into a plank. Now we're going to walk the hands and feet over at the same time. A little kind of challenging. Works the balance muscles, works the ab muscles. Walk it. If you need a little easier, just hang out in that plank. That's still going to challenge you. A little harder. We're just going to keep on walking it. Move the arms, move the legs, move the arms, move the legs. Hang out in that plank if you need to. Try not to fall down. Hang out in that plank. Stand up. We're going to do a touch the ground move. Whew. So we're going to clap it, touch the ground. Clap it, touch the ground. A little bit easier. You can just touch the ground, walk it in, walk it out. Touch the ground, walk it in, walk it out. Or you can do that clap. One arm down, then the other. Try not to lose your ear pods, Julia. Remember, walk it in, walk it out. Still a great option. Or clap it, drop the hand down to the ground. Gets the heart rate going. Still working those leg muscles. Okay, this one's not easy or fun. We're going to get down into an elbow plank and try a few elbow plank push-ups. So we're lifting up onto one hand, up onto the other hand, going down with the opposite arm, ending up back in that elbow plank, then lifting up with the other hand, the right and then the left. Then you're going to go down with the left and the right. So we're just using different arms each time we go up and down to work the body evenly. Staying in that elbow plank is very challenging. So you can just do that. We're on our right arm up and down. Lift with the left this time. Push it up. Last exercise. Yay! Get into a down dog. Kick it in, kick it up, down into that down dog again. Kick it in, kick it out, into the down dog. Staying in the down dog is an option, or when you need to rest. Otherwise, kick the knee in, lift the leg up and down. Knee in, lift it out and down. Really working the leg muscles, the shoulder muscles, the core. A lot of different muscles in the body. It's our last move, so give it all you got. Kick it out. Other leg. Knee in. Kick it high. All right. We're gonna get there. Let's go. Hey, we did it. That was a really fast 15 minutes. Did that go by fast for you? That went by like a whirlwind for me. Well, that was great. I really sweated it up. That was a head to toe, full body workout. You don't need to do anything else today if you've just done that workout. So thanks for working out with me today. If you enjoyed this workout, please subscribe to the Trainer Julia channel, where you'll get a lot more workouts like this one. Short, 15 to 20 minutes. They normally require little to no equipment and can be done in your own home. All right, this is Trainer Julia saying thanks very much for joining me today, and have a fit day.